Dumelang. Le kae? Re teng. Ra itumela le rena go fiwa opportunity ya go tla go bua ka tšhomi ya rena. E leng Tobetsa. It's with a heavy heart and deep respect that I stand here before you today to pay tribute to my brother, a friend, Ellen Tobetsa. Tobetsa in Chomi, Tobetsa was a brother. Tobetsa nele motho wa batho. And Tobetsa zanka tlhopolla. Una phela le anyone wa kopana le. Ene kana go tsengata na go engwe ono gona go iputsa for mara Tobetsa o gona yang go blender in mo situationeng se sometimes o bona nka ro compromised o tsene mo plekeng engwe le ene wa bona for mara pleke ya e monate mara Tobetsa sna taba ene o ka ba le busy a shake matsogo le batho I interact le anyone asa tlhopolle from mang or wa go itse re go etsalang so re memo today le Victor re le ditšhomi tsa ga Tobetsa re tlo gomotsa family ya ga Tobetsa mama Shalane le bana and everyone Geli le the boys re le gomotsegeng ga go a latlhegela lena fela go latlhegetse everyone like o bona batho ba tlile ba tletse so for like Tobetsa ene le motho wa batho a ratiwa ke batho Tobetsa o na le special too much and what made Tobetsa special was not just his talent and yes he was talented. His talent was unmatched. It was his heart. He never looked down on anyone. He could walk into any space, from the most glamorous event to the most humble street corner, and make everyone feel seen. Ke the way Tobetsa na le ka teng. Ona sa tlhopolle le di plaque. A sa tlhopolle plaque a re no e mo nka se tsene. Go shady o una rata tsona tseo na tsena mo go tsona sna taba ile le rato le motsenya ene se for maybe utsengwa ke dilo tse ding and then twengwe before maybe nka lebala ke ska bala too much Tobetsa ona hate di drugs blind ona hate di drugs asa batle go associate le batho ba itsegeng ka di drugs like ona rata go thusa obviously bonyaope boys bo mo di khone mo sta khona go motivate di youngsters tsa bona ba tseya direction e wrong mara ka bo yena fela ne se motho le di drugs ona di hate blind ana o approachitswe ke batho ba bangata blind ban ba batla go tsena through yena ba tsenya dilo tsa bona through yena mara he wasn't for that ene le motho ona le gene ene blind ana le respect for everyone ona sa batle go senyetsa ope bophelo I'm proud to have called him my friend, proud to have shed laughter, tears, long walks with a man who remained true to himself no matter how far he rose. Ki tswalle ka lentswe mo Psalm 34:18 the Lord is close to the broken-hearted and save those who are crushed in spirit. Viku ka felletsa ke motswalle
batho ba tsamayang Bachimbiri, that was the words that I used to share with my friend. Now, earlier on they had asked all the actors to actually stand up. Now I would like to turn things around a bit and ask all those friends outside the artistic fraternity to please stand up. Now, these are the people on daily basis. I would say these are the people that knew Tobetsa better than anyone. Acting was his job, his career. But we lived with the guy on daily basis. We know him inside out. Kawo Mafuku, I would just like to say, Mama, Charlene, the comfort is not only from the actors or from that particular fraternity, but you have other friends that you know where you'll find comfort. And with those words, I would like to say to my friend, rest in peace, Motswalle waka, till we meet again. Thank you.
Ra leboga bagotsi, Mr. Rantibe Makapane.